Okay, the first step for this assignment is to copy the folder from the library folder into your workspace folder Inventor. Next step is to start Inventor with the project settings by double-clicking the project file. Check your project settings to make sure that it is set to the Inventor folder and the Content Center file folder is also set. Next, start a new assembly. Make sure it's metric and the standard template. To start this assembly, we're going to use standard's default home view. Make the XYZ planes visible. And place the base component, the given files, and it is the weldment. Now, next thing is double check the orientation. If necessary, rotate it about the axis. This is set up correctly. So place it grounded at the origin. And say you're done. Make sure it doesn't move around. Save the file.